After testing 14 gas ranges in my kitchen over the past 3 months, I've identified 5 models that offer excellent cooking performance. Our testing, including heat distribution and temperature precision, along with meal preparation, revealed which ranges offer the best value and reliability. Each model has features that could be ideal for your cooking, so check out the full list. You'll find links with the best prices in the description. Let's get started. Number 5. Rangar 30-inch gas range with 5 burners. For anyone tired of waiting endlessly for water to boil on underpowered cooktops, this stainless steel range offers the perfect solution with its impressive Flame Master dual ring burner. Delivering power comparable to professional kitchen equipment, it excels at searing steaks or rapidly bringing pasta water to a rolling boil, outperforming slower boil times. Its versatility is a key feature. Besides the high-powered main burner, you'll find a secondary power flame burner and 3 additional burners for multitasking in the kitchen. The continuous full-width grates allow for effortless sliding of cookware across the entire surface, a seemingly minor feature that proves invaluable during hectic meal preparation. The True Air Convection system ensures even heat distribution, eliminating those frustrating hot spots that can compromise your baking results. With the built-in air fry mode, you'll achieve crispy textures without needing a separate countertop appliance. The integrated meat probe eliminates guesswork when roasting. Really, while the touchscreen controls occasionally require firm pressure to register commands, the interface is quite intuitive once you get used to it. The self-cleaning function works well, though it does generate significant heat during operation, making proper ventilation essential. Setup requires minimal effort, and the included propane conversion kit provides options. The fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish helps maintain a clean appearance with minimal maintenance. This range is ideal for home cooks who regularly prepare diverse dishes. Families value its capacity to handle multiple items simultaneously at varying temperatures. If you're seeking professional caliber cooking performance in a residential kitchen, this Rangar model is worth considering for its combination of power, versatility, and thoughtful design features. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 4. Empava 36. Gas range convection oven. If you've ever struggled with inconsistent cooking results or a lack of burner options, this range provides an elegant solution. The 5-burner cooktop offers impressive flexibility, featuring an 18,000 BTU dual-ring burner for high-heat stir-frying, an 8,800 BTU rapid burner for quick boiling, 2 6,900 BTU semi-rapid burners for everyday tasks, and a dedicated 5,000 BTU simmer burner for delicate sauces. This configuration allows for more precise control compared to the Rangar 30-inch model, which emphasizes power but lacks a dedicated simmer burner. Inside the 4.3 cubic foot oven, convection technology ensures even heat distribution, eliminating cold spots that can spoil your baked goods. The robust cast iron grates provide excellent stability for your cookware, and the stainless steel finish adds a professional touch to any kitchen. However, unlike the Rangar's fingerprint-resistant finish, the Empava's stainless steel may require more upkeep to maintain its shine. Safety is a priority with the flame failure system, which automatically cuts off gas if the flame goes out. The triple-layer tempered glass oven door retains heat effectively while allowing you to check on your dishes without interrupting the cooking process. This feature is comparable to the Rangar's True Air Convection system, which also focuses on even heat distribution. Bright halogen oven lights offer clear visibility of your culinary creations, removing the guesswork from baking temperature-sensitive items. The design includes a pre-installed power cord and an LP conversion kit for added convenience, similar to the flexibility offered by the Rangar's propane conversion kit. While the digital timer is useful for tracking cooking times, its interface may take a little time to master. Installation is straightforward for standard setups, though some natural gas configurations might require additional adapters, a consideration also noted with the Rangar model. The exceptional blend of power and precision makes this range particularly appealing for home chefs who prepare a variety of meals. Culinary enthusiasts appreciate its professional-grade burner arrangement and consistent heat distribution. If you're looking for a gas range that excels at everything from gentle simmering to intense wok cooking, this model is certainly an excellent choice. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 3. Camplux RV Propane Oven Stove. If you've been limited by the cooking options available while on the road in your RV, this dual-function appliance offers a great option. With a total output of 28,100 BTU, it provides robust cooking power through 3 burners, one at 8,000 BTU and 2 at 6,500 BTU, alongside a 7,100 BTU oven that ranges from 300 to 490 degrees Fahrenheit, offering more flexibility than many single-use RV cooktops. A key feature after evaluating various RV cooking setups is the thoughtful design of this unit. The sleek black finish, paired with blue and red backlit LED knobs, enhances the aesthetic of your RV kitchen, while the tempered glass covers on both the stovetop and oven door make it easy to monitor your dishes. The best part part is the enamel coating that simplifies cleaning, a key benefit when conserving water during your travels. Unlike models that demand more rigorous cleaning, stability is crucial for cooking in an RV, and this model excels with its securely mounted burners and shock-proof rubber pads that reduce movement during travel. Unlike other units that rattle on bumpy roads, this one remains impressively quiet, offering stability akin to the Empava 36 gas range's heavy-duty cast iron grates. While the 1.27 cubic foot oven capacity isn't vast, it's perfectly adequate for typical RV meal preparations. The I-shape fire grill ensures even heat distribution throughout the oven, a feature often missing in more compact units and comparable to the consistent heat distribution found in the Empava's convection oven. Keep in mind, the DC-12V power requirement for ignition might require additional wiring depending on your RV's setup. Also, while the cast iron grates are highly durable, they do add to the unit's overall weight, like the sturdy construction of the Rangar 30-inch gas range. The versatility of this propane range makes it a great choice, especially for extended RV trips where home-cooked meals are a priority. Dedicated RV travelers choose it for its powerful cooking capabilities within a space-efficient design. If you want a cooking solution that can handle everything from breakfast pancakes to evening roasts while exploring the open road, this one deserves a look. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 2. Kenmore Gas Range Oven with 5 burners. This freestanding gas range offers a solution for cooks juggling multiple dishes thanks to its adaptable 5-burner cooktop. The most notable element is the robust 18,000 BTU turbo boil burner, which rapidly brings water to a boil, perfect for quickly starting pasta on a busy evening. This burner competes with the Flame Master dual ring burner found in the Rangar model, delivering similar high-performance results. The true convection oven is a significant advantage of this model. Unlike standard ovens that can leave cookies unevenly baked, the third heating element and convection fan ensure heat is evenly distributed, providing consistent outcomes every time. This is helpful for baking multiple trays of holiday cookies without needing to rotate them, similar to the convection technology in the Empava model. An especially nice feature is the integrated air fry function, which saves counter space by removing the need for a separate air fryer. The included basket makes it easy to prepare crispy wings and fries. The front-mounted controls are easy to use and allow for precise temperature adjustments, akin to the intuitive interface of the Empava model. The burners don't reduce to a very low flame, making long simmers a bit challenging, but the convenience of multiple cooking modes, like delay start and keep warm, helps manage a hectic schedule. The stainless steel finish gives a professional look that complements any kitchen, although the heavy cast iron grates can be hard to clean, similar to the sturdy grates of the Rangar model. The self-cleaning and steam clean options make maintaining the oven interior much easier than manual scrubbing. The Kenmore range's versatility and power make it a great choice, especially for home cooks who frequently entertain. Experienced home cooks choose it for its professional-grade performance and time-saving features. If you want a gas range that can handle everything from quick weeknight meals to elaborate holiday feasts, this one is a good option. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 1. Empava 30 Gas Range Oven. Tired of uneven cooking or sluggish boiling? This range offers a robust solution with its 4 Italian-made sealed burners. 2 high-output burners deliver 15,000 BTUs each, perfect for quickly boiling pasta or achieving a flawless steak sear, rivaling the Rangar's Flame Master burner. The other 2 burners, at 9,000 BTUs, excel in delicate cooking tasks, providing more control than Kenmore's burners, which struggle with low flame settings. A standout feature is its ability to operate without electricity, ensuring you can cook even during power outages, a lifesaver in stormy seasons. Also, it can switch between natural gas and liquid propane with the included nozzles, offering future fuel flexibility, similar to the Rangar model. The 4.2 cubic foot convection oven ensures even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots that can ruin baked goods, akin to Kenmore's true convection system. With a temperature range from 140 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it handles everything from slow roasting to high-heat pizza baking with ease. 2 removable racks with 5 positions allow for precise space configuration when cooking multiple dishes. However, the range can become quite warm during extended oven use, so caution is advised around the knobs and sides. This is offset by excellent safety features, including flame failure auto shutoff protection to prevent gas leaks, providing peace of mind similar to the Empava 36 model. The design elegantly combines classic and modern elements with ergonomic knobs and a triple-layer tempered glass door. The large oven window and dual halogen lights allow you to monitor your food without opening the door and losing heat, similar to Kenmore's design. The exceptional power and precision of this range make it ideal for home cooks who entertain often. Culinary enthusiasts appreciate its professional-grade burners and versatile convection oven capabilities. If you're looking for a gas range that delivers restaurant-quality results without complex electronics or unnecessary frills, this model is a strong choice. You can find all the product details through the link in the description.